It's been a while for me that I'm looking for my everyday use perfume, which is I can bring it outside or I can found this named Set. Really gives a long-lasting performance. Here in Karachi, it's not that great. It's really dry and all. So you have to find your suitable perfumes that will gonna last long. This is Set. Well, right now I had a Wild Realm. It's like also Sauvage Deer. Smells like Sauvage Deer. And this is also a Flora Muse. This is also like inspired by Gucci Flora. So I really love the scent and really lasting. It really gives a long-lasting performance, which is 8 hours actually, and still stay in your clothes until the next morning. Testers. These are 5 testers actually, and you can say it's really like minimalist. You can carry it on wherever you wanted to go. The Roge Elixir. It's basically it's an impression of Baccarat Rouge, and that is one of my favorite perfumes. I always buy some perfumes long lasting. White Oud is actually the impression of Stronger With You.